When restless, build a ship, my dad used to say. He was no Hemingway with words. A simple man in my eyes. I swam against the tide, trying to be everything he wasn't. There is a voyage every young man has to take. Some set sail to seek adventure, while others only want to escape from routine. For me, it has always been the open water. Everything falls into place when you're at sea. What matters, what not. I miss the fishing, the comfort. I miss you calling me your Pareto. I miss you. Every now and then the sea brings me home. You were neither an anchor to hold me back, nor a sail to take me there.